Hello, and welcome back to my cave. Today we're gonna be working on issue 9 of Build the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. So, here we have case number 31. And we get a metal part of a wheel and a tire that should probably be called a rock, because it's solid as a rock. But now we need the other half of the wheel that we did in the last stage, and we just line that up and secure with 3DSO2 screws. But now we need to put the tire on the wheel, and since the tire is hard as a rock and you can't put the wheel in it, we are gonna have to boil it. And like previously, I'm not gonna pour hot water all over my desk, so I'm gonna do this in the kitchen and we'll be right back. Like this. So now the wheel is inside the tire. Now we just need the chassis and our wheel. Just line that up so the brake slots in like so, and then that is held in with a PS08 screw like so. And that is kit number 31 complete. And now we have kit number 32. This is a simple kit, a few screws and one wheel arch. So we take our chassis and simply put that over our wheel, and that is held in with 3DSO2 screws like so. And that is kit number 32 complete. And now we have kit number 33. Now we start the other side, and now we get two brackets, and we need the one with the curve on it, and that goes in here, and that is held in as a PS05 screw. And then we need the other bracket, and that's going in here, also with a PS05 screw. And then we take our leaf spring with the tighter clips forward. That just goes in here, and it's held with two pins. Then after we line them up, put them finally, and that is in. Now do the same with the other pin. Push it in, and that is locked into place. And then we take the U-bolt bracket, and that is held in with two PS09 screws like so. And that is kit number 33 complete. And now we have kit number 34. That we took these two brackets and put them together with a small, tiny pin, like so. Then we put that into the chassis. And that is held in with a PS05 screw, like so. Here you can see the upper half of the shock absorber in place. And speaking of the shock absorber, you need to put the lower end of the shock into the other half and into place, and that is held in with the PS08 screw, like so. Now I'm gonna put the brake dust shield on here, line it up with the packs, then put the rotor on top, and then that is the caliper just breaks. Then the caliper just slots on the back. And that is kit number 34. And that is issue number 9 complete.